Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove photo with emoji. Let's get started. This is the Android operating system, my phone. So open your Chrome or any browser that you had and try to type any eraser. This is the powerful AI to remove unwanted watermark and object from photo or video. So after that you can tap this remove emoji from picture. You can click it or tap it and then upload video or photo here, and this is the photo I already had. So you can try to adjust the brush here, or you can zoom in, zoom out your photo, and now use the brush. You can undo if you failed, or if you want to change the brush, and try to brush the emoji here. And let's see, remove object. Now you can tap it and you have to wait the process here. So if your AI processing failed, you have to reprocess. Please check the network. Here there's a watermark. You can download without watermark, and as you can see, the emoji is gone, but it's not perfect. You can try another tools to cover or clean up the picture. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.